Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice like a pro to transform your TikTok videos. So if you want to create a unique and creative content on TikTok, you can use a TikTok built-in voice filter to easily change your voice. So your voice will be stand out and it will entertain your audience, and it will make your TikTok videos more fun and engaging. So the first thing that you need to do is open the TikTok application, and there are two methods that you can do to change your voice. You can use it directly when you record the video on TikTok, or you can also use it for a pre-recorded a pre-recorded video. So I'm going to show you both method. The first one, let's try to use the voice filter directly on the TikTok camera. So you can just tap on the plus icon to start creating a video. So after the TikTok camera is open, you can just record your videos. But first you need to click on this drop down on the right panel until you find this microphone icon called voice. So just tap on that and you'll see a lot of voice filter or effects that you can use for your videos. You can hear the preview first of how the voice will sound. Anda dapat mengubah suara dengan efek ini. Okay, you can just choose which one. Anda dapat mengubah suara. Let's try. I'm going to use this ones right here. You can just now click on this red button to start recording your video. Hey guys, so the voice filter is on, and this is how you can change your voice on TikTok. You can just click on a check icon to start to finish recording, and after that, when you hear your voice, it will be sound differently.
Hey guys, so the voice filter is on, and this is how you can change your voice
As
on
you
TikTok.
guys can hear, that's not my voice, and voice filter has changed my voice like a pro. So I'm going to use the voice filter now for a pre-recorded video. Let's go back first and choose a video here. You can just click on this to go to your gallery or album and then select your videos. For example, I'm going to just select this tutorial video right here. You can just I'm going to just trim it first so that it doesn't long. You can just now you can just here click on the microphone again icon again on the right panel, and now you can just again select the voice filter that you want. For example, I'm going to try you to use this megaphone. You can hear the preview. Let's try echo. You can see my voice will be echo. So you can just choose which voice filter or effects that will change voice to the one that you want. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.